healthy tonight. No, I didn't think so.
Stop. Oh my goodness.
What? I'm catching you like this.
Die Scottish Folkpoes. Ja, weet ik niet zo mooi.
Hey, Captain. You want to give me a hand with work today?
Yeah. I love you. Oh shit. Sorry.
I'm meowing.
Oh my god. We both. Oh.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Do you want some treats? Yeah.
It's a fancy feast.
Why are you so cute? Oh my god.
Bro, can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you.
Are you for real? Go away. I'm taking a shit.
Oh, Sally, I need to work.
Has anybody seen Mr. Cutie? Cutie, Cutie, where are you?
Ma'am.
1啦，sorry，豆豆2。David, you take for me.
Stop. Stop.
Azra dia matanya, matanya.
Wonder why there's dogs, like, not wanting to go downstairs.
Oh. Oh.
Nah, nah, nah. Have your tail? Can I have your neck?
All I want to do is look at you and kiss your face, okay?
Oh my god!
Close the blinds, Jack. Good boy, Jack.
Hey, Barbie.
So here, we're gonna bring the palms back and release. If you're in a
No, you jumped over these double baby toes.
Hey, what are you doing?
Are you an elf? Oh, oh my god. I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really, really...
Coco, stop it.
What? Why, mate? This is you lot getting off.
Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Nah, don't worry about it. I'm not here to have the conversation.
This? Bro, you're my friend now. Yes. Yeah.
So, I got a new hairstylist. He's out working.
No, but that's perception. That's her perception. That's not how you deliver.
Oh, you want tap? Bing.
Misty.
Oh, Gypsy.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Are you an elf? Oh, oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my! I don't think you really want to be in here. I'm taking a shower.
Come on.
He said I love you perfect.
You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature?
What are you doing?
All right, okay.
A fancy feast.
Alarm me on her.
Oh my god, no!
Meow if you're pretty.
Oh! Şimdi bitirdi tavuk. I'm excited to get to know you. Hey, bestie.
You're everything I need and more. It's real.
It's not that serious.
Hey. No.
Hello, Phoenix.
Chase! Chase, wake up! Chase!
Oh no! You're in my. I can't see shit.
Nonsense. What did you do?
What are you doing to him?
Hazel, come here. Oh!
Coat color can change in the sun. In some black cats,
No.
Jerry! Think about it. It's a baby.
black cats are loyal and gentle.
One thing they don't tell you about owning a German Shepherd is that they are very good at throwing things with their mouth. Yeah.
Please. Oh my god.
Often lose it with age. But the difficulties don't end there. Pure white cats are the most vulnerable. Their skin is practically unprotected from the sun, and they get sick more often. Their eyes.
So I gave birth to my orange flavored son a few years ago, and when I tell you I could not have prepared for how orange he actually is.
What the fuck? Countries.
In the UK and Japan, black cats are
来，建国起来重睡。
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
efficiency. Black cats are harder to read. Because of their dark
Get up right now, Oscar.
Tony with the chicken strips.
Not that serious.
They're hard to photograph well, so they often go unnoticed.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're